Now we make this into the, depends on the maximum bottle. So if we change into the small bottle, now the grip will be back and the bottle is in the front, right? Then we need to move the head much more advanced, so we could change this position, the material grabbing positions for the small bottle. Okay, then for example, this is the material release position is 400. It means this head will move 400 mm for it. So usually we put the product for 400 mm is in this part. This is correct. But if it is more, then we need to minus maybe 10, 20 into the middle of it. So the same principle, if it is in this part, we need to be plus it more to make in the middle.